What are the top 5 things you should know before starting link building strategies? Yeah, so number one is that links aren't magic. There's no like magic link or whatever, right? I remember when I first started like SEO, I felt like links was like the one of the most confusing things because I felt like other people's links just like had some magic thing that mine didn't have, and I just didn't know like what it was or whatever. But there's no real like magic to them. There's just like there's a bunch of different kinds of links, but like essentially there's foundational link building, and then there's like editorial type links, which are like guest post link insertions and that kind of thing. And these editorial style links are the ones that you really that are going to take most of your time and money and effort, right? All the other stuff, you want that stuff for diversification purposes, but you're just going to focus on quality links. Um, so top 5 things, I don't know. Number one, let's write them down here. Number one, I would say link diversity, which I kind of just mentioned, which basically is not just using one type of link. So don't just like hammer your site with PBN links, man, or don't just like hammer your site with like blog comments or forum posts or whatever. It's just not how things happen in the real world. So if you're going to be breaking Google's TOS, you want to be doing so in a smart way to where they can't tell that you're doing it right. So that means creating a bunch of different types of backlinks that actually looks like a natural backlink profile rather than someone just doing the same thing repeatedly at scale. What do you got for number 2, Nick?
Maybe anchor text ratios or keyword research, being the precursor to your campaign.
Let's say anchor text ratio. And this is the same kind of idea
Yeah,
as link diversity, right? It's just don't hammer exact match anchors all the time. Get some natural anchors in there. We love like branded and URL anchors, miscellaneous anchors. And then you can do some partial match and some exact match, but chill out with it. Don't go crazy. These kind of anchors are not common. So yes, I know you want to get them and you just want to slam your site with them because you think it's going to make you rank faster, but really it's just going to make you rank slower in a lot of the cases, and Google could just get pissed off at you and not let you rank at all, right? What's number 3 for link building?
3, to the home
Oh
page.
yeah, here we
You're
go.
getting started. Go to the home page. Get that entire website crawled. Don't be hammering exact match anchors to inner pages, going heavy on inner pages while ignoring the home page, thinking you're going to game the system quicker. You want
Absolutely.
the overall picture built out.
Yeah, the homepage is by far our favorite target when link building. It's the most natural target. It's the safest target. You don't have to worry about building way too many links to a page where you're competitive. Like, let's say you build 20 links to a page, like a blog article, and all your competitors only have like one link, right? This is not like a type of content that attracts as many types of backlinks, so you immediately like stick out and you've done something unnatural. Um, Not only that, so not only is the homepage safe, but it's also very efficient, right? So the homepage generally you can use it to link out to a bunch of other stuff, kind of spread link juice around. So it can be, and then just by building the overall authority of your site that way, um, you can end up not needing as many links to inner pages because the authority of the entire site is so big that you don't need to send power to like each specific page, if that makes sense. Number 4, what else they got to know about link building? Oh, I'll
Uh,
say time versus money.
yeah.
So, you're either going to have to invest a lot of time or a lot of money into building backlinks. There's no other way around this. And good links are going to take a lot of time or a lot of money. So, like the better the link is, it's gonna take more money. The cheaper the link is, you can pretty much assume that either anyone can get this type of link very easily, or it's just not a very good link. It's just the way of the world. Everyone knows that links are valuable these days. Almost everyone charges for them. So yeah, either you do it yourself and you take time, or you can build your own link building team, hiring some VAs and whatnot, or you can come to an agency like us and have us take care of it. I guess the last thing to mention is quality versus quantity. Um,
Yeah, good.
just focus on quality, man. You know, that people still do this kind of like black hat, like spam stuff, auto-generated backlinks and whatnot. But in general, it's kind of like churn and burn. It's not something, if you plan on actually selling a website or the site ranking longer than a few months or a year, then you kind of want to stay away from these cheap, low quality, high quantity kind of link blasts, right? Just focus on quality. You don't need to get 100 links a month. Why don't you focus on getting 2 good links a month or 5 good links a month? And when you do that over time, you're gonna perform so much better than someone who's trying to get 100 like crap links a month.
Yeah.
So yeah, focus on quality.
Yeah, and then you're not going to go through as much volatility when there's algorithm updates, etc.
Yeah, and speaking of the algorithm update, I saw that they're also updating a lot of their kind of like spam stuff recently. So we'll see how, I don't know if they were, the stuff I saw, I went really quickly when I was looking at it, so it might have all been kind of content spam type stuff. But we'll see if they included some a little backlink spam update in there. We'll see what happens to some sites rankings and see if they get large chunks devalued or whatever. Like in the last one, which was maybe a year ago, year and a half ago, something like that. Um, all right. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good little list we got there.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.